Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You're so cute.
Mommy.
Mommy. Yeah. Mommy. Yeah. Today's Saturday, December 4th, 2010. Christopher's 14 and a half months old. He just woke up. And he was talking up a storm.
No.
No, no. Yeah, he tried to grab the camera and said no, no. Okay. Today is Friday, January 14th, right? Today's Friday, January 14th, 2011. Christopher is almost 16 months old and his hair is getting very, very, very long. So we decided today that sadly, as sad as it is, we're gonna have to cut it. So here's the first piece. Oh, Christopher is here in his high chair watching baby Einstein on the computer. Mice. Segura.
No, segura.
There's the first piece. Dada, is it almost finished?
Yeah.
Are we getting there? Christopher's very entertained with his music on the computer. Thalita e Esté estão ajudando. Olha o cabelo do Chris. Christopher's almost had enough. And we're almost done. Oh, Dada. Are you happy with how it turned out?
Yeah.
Me too. Now we're gonna get some water, we're gonna style it and see the final. And here's the finished product! Christopher got his first haircut. Oh, it's a little messy. We still have to wash it and wash him. I think Christopher approves.
I think so too.
E as meninas? Gostaram? Gostou?
Foi lindo.
Perfeito.